Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining us for Tuesday's tip. My name is Julie Johnson, and these tips are brought to you by Vine Images. Welcome to week number 52. This week, we're going to jump into Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to create an action so that Photoshop will open up your images, make them smaller, save them, and then close the file. This is called batch automation, and you can find it in Photoshop. And if you haven't guessed it by now, I'm going to teach you how to create a low resolution action in Photoshop. So the first thing we have to do is grab our actions window, and we're going to go to new set. So in here, you want to name what you're going to call your new set. So we're going to call it low resolution, and we're going to hit OK here. So now we have the set, and what you have to do first is open up an image. So we're going to open up one of these images. There you have it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to that arrow button there, and we're going to go new action under the low resolution set. So we're also going to name it low resolution, and we're going to hit record. So what this is going to do, it's going to record what we're doing. Okay, so you hit record. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change the image size. So as you can see here, it's recording there. We're going to go image size. And we're going to change it to 7.5 inches. And it'll automatically change it to 5 by 150 pixels per inch. Any photo lab that uses a machine, a printing machine, can print at 150 pixels, but the maximum size for this would be 5 by 7.5. So if they're printing on an inkjet, you will need 300 dpi. So now we're going to save as. I've created a new file folder called low resolution, and I'm going to hit OK. We're going to save it at the quality of 12. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to close it. Then we're going to go over to our action window and we hit stop there. So now it's not recording anymore. So we're going to go to automate batch. And now you can see that this will allow you to choose your folder. We have the low resolution already set up. So I'm going to go to my high res file folder that I want to change the images to low res. And we're going to destination save it in the new folder that I created called low res. So we're going to transfer, well, not transfer the images, but recreate the low resolution images in a new folder. So we're going to override the save action command, because otherwise it would save in the exact same folder that I saved the original in, and we don't want that. So we want to override that so it just saves it into the folder that we've suggested. Okay, so now what it's doing is it's opening each image, and you can see it in the action window that it's going through changing the image size, saving it, and closing it. Okay, it's so easy, guys. You just have to go through the steps and you'll be able to figure it out. So never save your images into the same folder because you don't want to save over your high-res images. So you want to make sure you always put your images in a new folder. Okay, so that's it. And we do this with weddings. So right now you can see in the low res, all of them are in there. We're going to open one just to show you. And there you go. Image size. We're going to change it to inches so you can see. And there you have it, low resolution images. On behalf of Vine Images, I just want to thank you so much for joining us for Tuesday's tip, and we will see you next week. Have a great day.